But today I am trying to decode the mind of the person who found out the definition of area, perimeter and volume. What was his thought when he was defining this? So first, perimeter. What is perimeter? Perimeter is nothing but boundary, borderline. That is perimeter. So for different shapes, you know different perimeters. But what was the basic thought? All the definitions which you have found out, all the formulas which you have found out, derived from the same thought. And that thought was sum of all the sides. This was the thought of the person. The person who brought out this thing has thought this thing only. Now I am telling you in different shapes. This is a triangle. How many sides are there? There are 3 sides. Suppose this is A, this is B and this is C. This is this one, Scalene triangle. All the sides are different. So what I will be writing? Sum of all the sides, A plus B plus C. If it is equilateral triangle, equilateral triangle means all the sides are equal. So if it is A, then this one is also A and this one is also A. So all the sides are same. So what you will be writing? A plus A, 3A. That means 3 into sides. Isosceles triangle. In case of isosceles triangle, these 2 sides are equal. And this is different. So what you will be writing? A plus B. 2A plus B. In the books, you will be finding different formulas for perimeter. But the basic of all the formula is same. Sum of all the sides. In case these are triangles. Now come to quadrilateral. There are different shapes in quadrilateral. These are the different shapes. So this is a rectangle. What is the basic formula? Sum of all the sides. But in this case, opposite sides are equal. This side is equal to this one, this side is equal to this one. So suppose I have given the name L, length, and for this I have given the name B. If this is B, opposite side is equal, so this one will also be B. If this is L, this one will also be L. I am adding all the sides, sum of all the sides, because that is the basic formula. So what I will be writing? L plus B plus L plus B. So what it is? 2L plus 2B. What is common in between them? 2 is common. Though I have written this formula, but where from it has derived? It has derived from this thought. Sum of all the sides. In case of square, all the sides are equal. If this is S, this is also S, this is also S, and this is S. Sum of all the sides. There are 4 sides, then that's why I have added all the 4 sides. S plus S plus S plus S. 4S. The same rule applies to everyone. In this, 2L plus 2B, because this is L, this is L, this is B, the 2L and 2B. All the sides are equal in rhombus. This was parallelogram, this was rhombus. So all the sides are equal. So the same formula 4S. In trapezium, no sides are equal. No sides are equal. That's why what I will be writing? A plus B plus C plus D. There are 4 different sides. In case of kite, these 2 sides are equal and these 2 sides, bottom sides are equal. So what I will be writing? A plus B plus A plus B. That means 2A plus 2B. So this was the formula. So whatever formula you will be deriving, it has come out from the single thought, sum of all the sides. Now come to area. The person who has brought out the formula of all these things, what was the basic thought behind that? We used to say the definition of area is base into height. We used to say definition of area is base into height. But I had tried to go into the mind of that person who has brought out this. Because whatever we say, if I speak something, if it goes up to you, it goes from different channels. So they add on it or subtract on it. Whatever I say, whatever is there in my mind, it doesn't go exactly to you. So the person who thought about this definition definitely did not go exactly to you. So I tried to think what was there in his mind. So this was base. What was base? He might have thought perimeter of shape of base into perimeter of shape of height. If we say base into height, the thought was there in the person who brought out this definition. It was perimeter of shape of base into, for base he would have thought perimeter of shape of base, and for height he would have thought perimeter of shape of height. So this might have been his thought. If you will be applying your formula on this thing, then you will be getting all the formulas. Now come to volume. We used to say for a rectangle, we used to say L into B into H. Volume का formula is L into B into H. Or for square, we used to say side cube. Though we have found out the formulas and we used to learn in that way, I used to say to the students, never learn anything. Try to understand. If you will be understanding, you need not to learn anything. So what was the thought of that person who found out the formula of this volume? He must have thought, this is written in the book, area base into height. This was written. As I said to you, whatever I speak, it doesn't go directly to you. Exactly. So it goes through some certain medium and certain things are added into it and certain things are subtracted from that. So my thought is, he might have thought in this way. Area of shape of base into, for height, he might have thought perimeter of shape of height. If you will be applying on this one, in next video, I'll be doing like that only. I'll be making you understand how, if you will be applying those formulas in this one, then you will be getting all the formulas. You don't need to learn anything. You have to think in that way only. You have to make up your mind. You have to make up your mind in such a way so that you don't need to learn. I have to understand only. I think you people have understood area, perimeter and volume, what that first person thought about it. Thank you, beta.